First of all, we have our multimeter on DC volt here, 200 volts, and we'll test adapter in the electricity, and now we will test. We will put the red connector in middle and the black connector here, like that. It will give us about 16 volts here, 15.9 volts. It's okay now. This adapter is okay. We can test the org. Most important information here, we must make sure from polarization, negative and positive. This one must be negative, and the one in middle, it must be positive. Here 0, and here the 16 volt. This point is so important. You must make sure of it. Second thing, you will check if your org is completely dead power. This mean power switch. This mean power switch sometimes is completely dusty or not work. So we can see. It's so easy to test this switch, like that. First of all, you have your multimeter on buzzer, like that. And then you will test these points. No polarization here. You must turn on this power switch and test these points. You must turn your power switch on and then put your multimeter connection here and here. This one is work. If there is no short like that, this switch is damaged. It's okay. You can replace it from any old receiver. After that, we test adapter. It's okay. And test this switch. It's okay. Then we will test this one. This socket sometimes is damaged. Maybe your org work or not, or turn off suddenly. This case of this socket. You can test this socket or make sure it's very well. You will see now. After 5 minutes, we get this off. This socket is not so good. We see it's not good at all. This one not so bad, no dust, no dry, but it's need iron soldier to connect it very well. Nothing important here, it's okay. After we make sure from this socket, we have this dioid, mean dioid, and then capacitor, mean capacitor of this cycle. It's very fine. It's 25 volts and 6,800 microfarads. It's okay. Then we have this regulator. This regulator must take 15 volts and output is 12 volt only. This one main IC. It's a sound IC. These four big speakers. These speakers is directly connected to this IC. If org work but no sounds, this IC may be damaged. Before you replace this IC, you must make sure of this one here. This socket is for external speakers. If this socket is damaged or broken, some case, no voice will go out from this speaker at all. You must make sure this socket is so good. No broken, no damage, no everything. And you must make sure from this flat tooth, this flat cable. You have here 5 points. You must make sure it's good, it's okay. And then after this LAIC is the main amplifier, speakers amplifier. You must feel some heat here, but not burn. If there is no heat, make sure 12 volts is on 2 legs or more on this IC. This little IC is for these little speakers, tweeter speakers. It's not necessary to replace this one. The most important thing, you must replace this one if there is no sound at all. Another reason for no sound at all, it came from this K. This volume K maybe is damaged or broken, and you must make sure of these points. We see it's so dirty here, dirty and filthy. So you can notice that this volume K is not good. It's maybe need to clean. If you don't want to clean it, you can replace it, or you maybe make a bridge from 2 points here and 2 points here, and sound will go out. After you make sure from this volume K and this IC, you must notice some noise when you put your finger here. On one of these small condensers, you must notice some noise when you put your finger here like that, or here. It's give you a sign this IC is work. We will try it now. After we make sure this IC is work, we will go to screens. This LCD screen, after we get it off, this cable is for the backlight of LCD. This one is high voltage, about 1000 volt here. So be careful when you test this one. Sometimes this lamp it's broken or damaged. and sometimes this inverter is damaged. This is the only one for no light here. This flat cable is for data. Sometimes this screen is lighting but no data on this screen. Maybe this damage in main board or motherboard, like as we see, or this flat cable is dirty. As we see here, this cable is not good at all. You notice that? Here we go. The first one and second one is so dirty. Here too. The first one, second one is so dirty, and there is short here. There is short between two and third leg. So we can replace this flat cable. From the other side too, we can get it off like that. The cable is not bad. It's so clean from this side. But from this side it's completely bad. We can replace it. This is for screen. Sometimes this screen is broken. You must replace it in this case. Nothing more. Sometimes the org is stuck on beginning screen, and the bad message, unexpected error. You must turn your org off and turn it on again. This is so simple. On this regulator must be here about 5 volts exactly. If the volt is not good, it's from these condensers. One of these condensers is damaged and need long time to work. So you can replace these condensers, directly connect on this regulator. I don't remember exactly this one or this one. You can replace this one and this one. It's 330 microfarads, 16 volts. Maybe you can put 25 volts, 330 microfarads. It will be more better. And here too, this one is 6 volts, 330 microfarads. You can replace it by 12 volt or 16 volt, no matter. You can do anyone or both anyone. 330 microfarads, maybe 470 microfarads is more good. This for the message. The most important thing, sometimes your org is give you bad noise with all sounds and all rhythms and even the demo. This one because this sheep is so bad, or burned sheep. Maybe dead sheep or burned sheep or bad sheep. This one is responsible for this one. If you put your flash disk here and the org can recognize it, no difference as we see. This one because of dirt and dust here. You will see this not golden shine. This is so bad and dirty. Now as we see, it's so bad. We must replace this USB socket, and USB device will work so good. Sometimes we notice our tunes is not good. This because of page K. As we see, this vibration one and this pitch one. When this K is damaged, tunes is not good at all. We not take do is re or me is fa or something like that. This because of this pitch K. We can replace it, or simply if we don't use pitch, we can disconnect this block as this. The orb will be so fine now if we don't use this K. Another little thing we will learn it in this video. Wait for a moment. Sometimes this case is not work because there is some dust on this one, or this carbon became so old. What we can do? First of all, we can clean it by some alcohol and a little piece of cotton, or by my finger like that. I will clean it from dust and everything. This carbon points too is so bad as we see. We can clean it or use conductive carbon ink. Carbon ink is so good for this. We can put little drop on this one here and here. Little drop here and little drop here. For every K, it will work very fine. Here too, this one need to clean and put some carbon conductive ink here. It will work very fine. Nothing more for this case. Sometimes this flat cable is not good, or some points is not connect very well. As we see, there is one in the middle. We have this one in the middle. We must clean it very well and then use iron. I don't like to use iron in these points, for this points is so bad. Maybe we can use hot air. It's good, better, more better than this air. Another one here. We notice this socket is so bad and so dry. Maybe this flat cable is so bad too. Look what we have here. we notice that all of these connectors is so dirty, completely unclean. We can clean it, some alcohol and a little cotton. We have some alcohol and clean it by this brush like this until it's completely clean. Anyway, sometimes this screen is from China, made in China speakers. Sometimes this speakers is bad. It's case to damage this IC and this one too. More than this, we can say it's the end. See you again. Goodbye.